Welcome to this tutorial on how to search for sent PDFs in Google Drive on your PC, especially after the latest updates. If you're like many users, you probably have a lot of files stored in your Google Drive, and finding specific PDFs can be a challenge. But don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once you're in your Drive, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. This is where the magic begins. Next, look for the advanced search icon, which is usually represented by a small downward arrow or a funnel icon next to the search bar. Click on this icon to open up additional search options that will help narrow down your results. In the advanced search menu, you'll see several fields that allow you to filter your search. From the type drop-down menu, select PDFs. This tells Google Drive that you only want to see PDF files in your search results. Now, let's refine our search even further. In the same advanced search menu, find the owner field. Here, select Owned by Me. This option filters out any files that are shared with you or belong to others, ensuring that you only see PDFs that you have uploaded or created. After setting these filters, click on the search button or hit Enter on your keyboard. Google Drive will now display a list of all the PDFs that you own. Take a moment to browse through the results and find the PDF you are looking for. If you have many PDFs, you might want to use keywords related to the content of the PDF to help speed up your search. And there you have it. You've successfully searched for sent PDFs in Google Drive using these simple steps. With these new updates, finding your documents has never been easier. Remember to utilize these advanced search features whenever you're looking for specific files in your Google Drive. Happy searching!